Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm proud to stand before you with the breaking news that brings hope, relief, and renewed strength to thousands of families across our great state. Just hours ago, the Cole County Circuit Court denied a request for a temporary restraining order that sought to halt the MoScholars program, an action that would have disrupted the education of more than 6,000 Missouri students. This is more than a legal victory. It's a victory for Missouri families. It's a victory for educational freedom, and it's a victory for every parent who simply wants what's best for their child. MoScholars is a transformative program that empowers families to choose their educational path that fits their child's needs, whether it's tuition support, tutoring, therapy services, or specialized schools. This program is designed to meet children where they are and help them thrive. We work with a diverse range of educational providers: public schools, private schools, family-based educational programs, and yes, you heard me right. MoScholars partners with public schools as well. Every child deserves a chance to succeed, and every parent deserves the freedom to choose how that success is achieved. As the administrator of MoScholars, I have firsthand seen how this program changes lives. It is a lifeline for families whose children face learning challenges or need specialized support. It's about giving parents real choices and real opportunities. Thanks to this ruling, we can now move forward with distributing tens of millions in scholarship funds. Again, that means more than 6,000 students will receive the support they need this school year. These scholarships aren't just numbers on a spreadsheet. They represent tutoring sessions, therapy appointments, classroom seats, and most importantly, hope. Hope for a better future. Hope for a child who finally feels understood. Hope for a parent who no longer has to choose between paying bills and paying tuition. Let me be clear. If the temporary restraining order had been granted, it would have devastated families across Missouri. Children who have already started school would have faced the terrifying possibility of losing their tuition support overnight. Parents would have possibly been forced to make heartbreaking decisions, pulling their kids out of school they love, scrambling to find alternatives, or even putting their child's education on hold. The legal challenge brought by the Missouri National Education Association isn't fighting for students. It's fighting for their union overlords. While they try to preserve a one-size-fits-all system, we are focused on empowering families with real choices and real opportunities. The families we serve are not statistics. They are parents and children who deserve better. MoScholars gives them hope. It gives them freedom. And it gives them the chance to choose an education that works for their child, not one dictated by the bureaucracy or union bosses. As long as I serve as treasurer, I will fight to ensure that every Missouri family has the freedom to choose the education that helps their children thrive. This ruling is a powerful reminder of what we are fighting for and who we are fighting for. Not systems, not politics, but for children, families, and their futures. Thank you all for being here today, and thank you for believing in the power of choice, opportunity, and hope. I will now turn things over to the Office of the Missouri Attorney General for questions regarding the lawsuit. I am proud to have with me here today James Lawson, Deputy Chief of Staff, and Catherine Monroe, Senior Counsel. I would be remiss if I did not express my sincere appreciation to Attorney General Bailey and his team for the care and dedication they have shown in their work. Thank you.
Awesome. I just wanted to take a moment and say we're pleased with the judge's decision. We look forward to continue defending the MoScholars program in court. Obviously, this is ongoing litigation, so there's very few questions that we will be able to answer, although I'm happy to take some and see how many of those we can get through in this briefing.
What do you say to the people who think that their tax dollars should not be going to private school scholarships? We've heard that discourse. I want to know what your thoughts about that.
Yeah, I mean, I think that we believe that parents should have a choice in and have a voice in their kids' education, not labor unions and not teachers' unions. And I would also reiterate the fact that some of these funds go to public schools as well. They're, as the treasurer just said, that's not entirely focused on the one area that you're asking about. And so we look forward to defending the program in court.
Do you have a contingency plan in place to claw back the money should this case go haywire?
You know, I would refer, obviously, that's going to be a question for the treasurer's office. We feel really good about our position, and we're going to continue to defend it in court. We're glad that these disbursements are going to be able to move ahead.
Are there any examples of similar lawsuits where the state started spending money on a constitutionally questionable endeavor and then had to get the money back?
That would be outside my purview, Kurt. I don't know off the top of my head. Thank you.
Is there a vetting process just to make sure that the funds are being used for educational purposes and not to say someone calling for educational purposes for personal funds?
Yeah, that would be outside our purview. I would direct you back to the treasurer's office. Obviously, they monitor this closely. They do a good job making sure the funds are going where they're supposed to go.
How quickly do you think you'll distribute this $51 million that has come through now that honestly the tap has been reopened?
We're actively doing that now. Those funds are being dispersed today. I would, again, refer you back.
That is correct.
This might be another question for the treasurer.
Yeah, sorry.
But does the program provide transportation for people who might want to go to private schools or schools out of the jurisdiction?
It does have an option for that as well.
Great.
Treasurer, could you address the idea of spending this money before this is legally?
So, currently, you know, there's ongoing litigation that's going for this, and so the treasurer makes some comments, and he's not taking questions.
Thanks a lot.
Great. Appreciate it.